Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Are you looking for decorative panels that is able to add beauty and values to your home, applicable to both interior and exterior for a tough and durable finish? But combining all these criteria, I'm very sure that it is very difficult to find lah. So for today, I have the opportunity to introduce to you this Fremento semi-polished fiber cement panel. These products are not released in the market yet, which means you are among the first to witness it. Shh, don't tell anyone, yeah? For your information, fiber cement is a composite material made of cement reinforced with cellulose fibers, used mainly in building and construction materials due to its high strength and durability. Let me show you the first sample. This is Fremento Islamico 1. Look at the design here. A big star within a big flower with fine branches. Size 600 by 600 mm with a thickness of 9.0 mm. Surface and color, natural fiber cement board. Application for your wall and decoration. Weight 2.35 kg. Now look at this. This is Fremento Islamico 2. On the design, a smaller star surrounded by 8 big petals with solid branches. Similar specification with Islamico 1 with a weight of approximately 2.91 kg. If you think that the shades of cement are dull and boring, you can always add in colors. I have introduced to you two of the many designs of Fremento, which is Islamico 1 and Islamico 2. If you think that this is just about it, nah, there are plenty more of these beautiful, elegant designs from Fremento for your home decorations. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and I'll see you. Bye-bye.